So today I'm going to be reviewing for you portable solar energy lamp. Well, I call it a light bulb. Can you really see it here? There's actually 2 light bulbs in here and they're solar powered. So let's open this up. Now I did open this up before and I did charge the light. This does not have a plug, to plug it into the wall or anything. You actually have to charge it through the sun. So here's your light bulb right here. This is really, really nice. It's really bright. It's got a little switch right here on the top. You can see this little black switch right here, and you push that on to turn it on. Or you can actually leave it off. You can have it to where when the sun goes down, the light will come on. Or, let's see right here if I do this, right? Okay. So, you guys can see that's pretty bright. That's a nice bright light. It's plastic. It's a hard plastic with LEDs in there. Really, really bright. Now, I only charged it for a few hours. Now, here's the solar panel. Here's the solar panel right here. This is so cute. This is a tiny, tiny solar panel. It's about maybe 5 or 6 inches wide by about 3.5 inches tall. It's really, really cute. Love it. This has, if I can get this undone. Okay. So this has about, I think it's about maybe a 12-foot cord. It's really super long. It's like maybe a 10, there's no instructions. So it has this little hook right here on the light. So you can hook this up somewhere. So you plug it in with a micro USB right there. And then the other end is right here, which is the solar panel. This is really cool. So as you can see with the video I'm showing next to me of at nighttime with it lit up versus not lit up. So I do it inside and I do it outside. So again, for inside, there's light in here, but you can see how bright this is. This is super, super bright. This is really bright. This is a great, great LED light, and it looks like a light bulb. And again, you can hang it. Again, you can hang it. It's really, really cool. No plug-in. You don't plug it into a wall or anything. So in those power outages, or like I said one of my videos before, we get brownouts out here, and to where they end up turning off our power for sometimes 2 hours a day. So this is another great solar unit that I wanted to take a look at, and it's fun. You can even just have them in the house. You can have this solar panel maybe with some duct tape to your window or something while it's charging the light, and have the light in your room so you're not using any electricity at all, which would be really great. I love that it's got a really long cord. You can take it camping with you. You can use it outside for when you're out taking a break or something, having some iced tea, at night. I think it's really a great little unit. But it does say that you get 5 hours off of a full charge. That's pretty cool, because I charged it only for a couple hours, and it's really super bright. I really love it. It's really cool. I mean, it does say you get 5 hours. It's just a little solar panel with a little paper backing right here, so that might come out, but just got to be careful with it. And you could duct tape it, like I said, to a window, the back part, to a window, and then just have your light, and it's pretty cool. I really like it. It's actually, the red light will come on the light when it shows that it's charging. So, of course, I don't mean to be charging it right now, but that's kind of cool. I wanted to share this little light with you guys real quick. This came as a pair of 2. I think it was $20. I'm going to leave a link in the description so y'all can check it out yourself. See you next time.